What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are back for another reaction video, and this is the second time that I'm going to watch a performance ng AOS Super Champions. Yes, I just want to thank KJ Avellino for giving me this clip, diba? Ayan, exclusive from KJ Avellino Vlogs. So ito na nga, ano kaya ang maging playlist ng ating Super Champions for today, which is Jeremiah, Jessica, Marian, and Zephanie. Kaya naman, bago natin ituloy yan, of course, kung bago ka dito, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction video. And if you have any other requests, you can always comment down below and we will check that out for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, acoustic sila this week. Oh my God, they're wearing green accent. Yes, katerno ko na naman sila. Hindi ko to pinaghandaan. Char. Marian starting the performance. Sorry guys, hindi ko na naman alam ang kanta. Pasensya na at lumang tao po ako. Ooh, bongga ang hairstyle ni Zephanie this week, ah. Ooh, nice twisting ng notes. Jeremiah. And of course, Maring Jessica. Ooh, nairaos. Parang very raw yung microphone. Woo, Maria! Wait, guys. I need a pause of appreciation. Bongga yung ginawa ni Marian doon before the chorus. And yung harmony nila ni Jeremiah. Medyo parang nahirapan lang si Jeremiah ng konti doon sa kanyang falsetto at saka yung manipis na nota. Pero nairaos niya. And the look nila ngayon, very color coordinated. Parang si Truly for today, yes. Na hindi ko alam, naka-green din sila. Parang nung Queendom, naka-red din ako. But, hindi kami nag-usap, guys. Hindi kami nag-usap nitong Super Champions. But, another thing is, hindi ko alam ang kanta. Oo, hindi ako masyadong makarelate kasi millennial song na naman ito ata. Alam niyo naman pong lumang tao tayo. Let's continue. This is the harmony. Oh! Galing ni Marian. Quartet sila for this week. Tinadhana naman pero naghanap pa ng iba. I love the harmony na ginagawa nila. Gwapo ni Jeremiah. Oh, nagpalit ba ng kanta? Oh my God, ang hirap talaga maging lumang tao. Oh, parang alam ko tong kanta na to. Oh, wait guys. Parang ano lang tayo this week, chill, serenading vibe, and hindi nila masyadong binovocalize yung mga dynamics, ganyan. Very chill R&B, type of OPM ballad yung kinakanta nila, and very millennial. Opo, hindi ko po talaga alam yung title. I-comment down below nyo na lang para makarelate naman ako, guys. Susunod makikinig na talaga ako ng mga millennial songs. Let's continue. Enjoy lang sila this week. fairness, naririnig mo pa rin yung distinct vocal ng bawat isa. Ooh. It's a mashup. Oh my God, ang hirap ng ginagawa nila. Hold on, guys. You know what? Mahirap tong ginagawa nila na mash up ng melody. Kasi kung yung kinakanta ng isa, iba, tapos yung kinakanta ng isa, iba. So medyo nakaka-distract yun. But you can hear yung separation ng two songs combining together as one melody. Ang galing lang. Nakakatuwa ang Super Champion for this week. Very chill vibe, jamming type of performance. Let's continue. Bongga ng hairstyle ni Zephany pang Khaled Karen. Char! Diba? Marian and Zephany so singing a different song, and then Jeremiah and Jessica. Oh. Love it! Yeah! There you have it, guys. That is the AOS Super Champions performance for this week. Grabe. Chill vibe lang, jamming ang dating, at very millennial song. Opo, ang kanilang kinanta. So medyo hindi nakarelate si Tito Truly. Oo, plantito tayo eh. Oo, lumang tao po tayo. So overall, I love the song. Naintindihan ko naman siya at naramdaman ko siya. Ang gusto nila ipahatid for this performance. And definitely, they did very well, especially dun sa last part na mashup ng harmony. Very well done. At talaga naman, pinaghandaan din nila ang kanilang mga outfit. Parang ako for today's video. At nagkataon na naman na terno tayo sa kanila for this week. And you can also see for each and every one ng Super Champs natin na talagang walang nagsasapawan and they're supporting each other's performance, no, para mabuo and maging isa yung performance nila. Kasi sabay-sabay sila for this week. So wala silang solo-solo. But overall, they showcase how versatile they are when it comes to performing on stage. Alright, that's about our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, kindly do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction video. Once again, my name is John. This is Chule Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now. Oh my God!